All right, hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Peter. So in today's video we are going to be looking at XLOOKUP with named ranges. All right, we're going to be looking at XLOOKUP with named ranges. So this is a table we are going to be using today. It contains sales figures, sales data for these companies for these months. All right, so what we are going to do here is that we want to put inside this cell. All right, so what we are going to be doing is that after selecting the company name, for example, we select go to travel and sales figure for the month of March, which is this. We want to have this inside here. All right, that is what we want to achieve in this video. But this thing can easily be done with index match. We know that index match is a hack. All right, now but today we're going to be using XLOOKUP to achieve this. All right, so let's go there. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to use data validation, because we are going to be needing to change this company name and the month. So let's use data validation now. So let's go home, go to data. Let's use data validation, select list. So here we are going to select our company names. All right, press enter, press OK. Can you see? You can easily select company. All right, so we're going to be doing the same thing for months. All right, we want to have all these months. We want to have it in a data validation. We want it to appear here. So what we need to do is to go home, go to data, click on data validation, select list. So you need to select our data source, which is from January to December. All right, click OK. That is it. So we have it from January to December. All right, so we're going to be using XLOOKUP. So what is our lookup value? What are we looking up? So we are looking this is our lookup value. The name of the company is our lookup value, comma. What is our lookup array? So we are looking for this inside these company names. All right, comma. So we're going to be nexting it inside another XLOOKUP. All right, do you understand? So the lookup value for this XLOOKUP is the month. Select month. Inside, where are we going to find our month? Inside here. Can you see? Comma. So our sales, what are we returning? So we are returning our sales figure. We are returning sales figure. All right. So let's close it. Let's close it again. Let's press enter. So for the month for this company, Trip for Less, for the month of May, we have 4,000. For the Trip for Less month of May, we have 4,107. Can you see? So that's it. So let's check another company, Backpacker, for the month of December. Backpacker for the month of December. This is it. 3883. Can you see? It's very simple. Now I want to show you how to use named ranges to simplify all this. All right, I want to show you how to use named ranges to simplify all this. So let's do this. Let's name this company names. Company names. All right, so to do this, you select the companies. So you go to name box and you rename this range. All right. So another one we can rename is the month. All right. Sales months. You select all the months, go to the name box and call it sales month. All right. Press enter. Another thing we need to name, another range that we need to name is our sales figures. So select all the sales figures, go to name box, call it sales figures. Sales figures. All right. We can actually name this. So let's name it select company. So let's name this one select company. All right. And this one select month. Select. You don't need to put, if you put space here, it will not accept it. Select month. Let's try that. It's not going to accept it. You must enter a valid reference you want to go to, or type a valid name for the selection. So it doesn't accept space. So let's go select month. All right, now we can do our X lookup in peace. All right, so X lookup. What is our lookup value? Our lookup value here is select company, comma. All right. So what's our lookup array? Our lookup array is, can you see it? Company name, comma. So we are returning this by nesting another X lookup into this one. So our return array will be X lookup. So what's the lookup value this time around